Hi guys, I'm Kwan, and in this devlog I will show you about the game I'm working on. The game I'm working on in June 2021, and for now it's 2023 April. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I want to show you about the game system. Oh, at first I need to talk about more about the games. So the game basically a clone version of GTA sandbox games. So in the game you control a person who can freely interacting with anything on the games. You can go out and go in the buildings. You can use a gun to shooting people. You can drive cars. You can try basically everything and interacting with the content in the games like the NPC. Yeah, okay. So I will talk more about the technical and the difficulty about the games when I'm making. So the first thing is the weapon system. As you can see, for now I have the guns, and I can pick another guns. For now it's a little bit buggy right now, so I cannot pick it. I need to be very close to pick. Okay, okay, I can pick right now the easy guns. Okay, basically like when making this to make it quickly as fast as possible, like the character own the coding from the character controller. I take it in the Unity Access Store. Also the helicopter, the car, building, and the gun, everything is on the Unity Access Store. But what I actually making here is the to solve the question how to like everything can to interact with each other, because as you know the helicopter in the access store is just a model. It's just some code base of basic controller, and that's all. And how to bring it into our games, how to bring it and make everything connected, make everything connect with each other. This is the math, and this is the problem I need to solve. And you go I go to the helicopter and I can really use this. I can make it fly and make it jump around like easy, right? Yes, it's it's have in the store, okay. But the thing they don't have is yeah, as you can see, I can go into the vehicle by the character, and you see the UI button. Yeah, you see how like when I go near the vehicle, they will have the use button. Yeah, I can use this button to like go out and go in the car. That's the question, and that's the problem. You see, like interact with the game system, like a lot of vehicle, right? So I need to design a base system, a abstract system, where when you can like adding more and more weapon, adding more and more vehicle, it just work the same, because the base system is a base system, and the detail controller like the helicopter and the car may be different, but yeah, the base system and the abstract thing never change. Yeah, so for now I will try to shoot in the helicopter. Yeah, it has effect. Helicopters still have the health, and when I controller activated, you You see, when shooting it blows up, it have the health system, and the character have their own health too, and the gun is yeah, the gun is also thrown down. Yeah, for now I will go to the car. Okay, the next thing I want to introduce you about is the mission system. As you can see, I go to some checkpoint and the mission system. This is a mission test I are setting up to show you. This will be it will be the mission system in the game in the future. Okay, get in the tank. So the mission is to get in the tanks. Let's go. Ready? You see? Okay, so this AI, the AI can basically do everything like the character human. They can jump, they can shoot, they can interact with the guns, they can go and jump into the vehicle, like so. Basically, it's the same, but they they just inherit like the base character, but also they can do something for the AI stuff, not like the real character. Yeah, basically it's everything I want to show you about this prototype. I do a lot of things. Yeah, so sometimes I do in this prototype I do like auto headshot system. Sorry, it's like the aim system. Yeah, because as you can see, when you using the guns, when you shoot, so it's not very accurate when in the mobile control, right? So this is my auto aim system will automatically will aim to the heads of the character. It's auto, you just press the attack and it's auto aim. Yeah, but it's not for now. Also the auto aim system I use dot product to do this. Okay, for now I just take this for testing. A lot of technique I want to talk about it, but yeah, because it's a really long time project, so I not remember much. Okay, maybe that's all, and I will show you maybe in the next videos. Thank you.